In today's video, I will talk to you about a single food that can help increase a child's weight, height, intelligence, aid in speech development, assist in teething, support motor development, strengthen immunity, and maintain eye and retinal health. Is it really possible for one food to do all of this? Yes, it is possible, but pay close attention to this video, as it contains crucial information you need to know. Before we start, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like and share the video, and activate the notification bell on all so that you receive new videos when they are released. Support us in publishing purposeful and useful content. This magical food is eggs. Eggs are a treasure trove of nutrition for infants and children. You may be wondering, at what age can we introduce eggs to infants? Let's focus on this. The yolk of the egg can be introduced when the child is around 6 months old. Initially, offer a small amount for 2 or 3 days, and observe the child for any signs of allergies. If there are no allergy symptoms, you can gradually increase the amount. As for egg whites, recommendations vary. Some suggest waiting until the child is 1 year old to introduce egg whites. However, it's essential to consult the doctor who is monitoring your child's development to decide when it's safe to introduce egg whites. Remember that egg whites should only be given to children once you're sure they have no allergies. Eggs should be cooked thoroughly to kill any potential harmful bacteria, such as salmonella. Never feed children raw or undercooked eggs, as this can pose health risks. Some parents might find it challenging to feed egg yolks to infants because they might not like the taste. In such cases, you can prepare fried eggs using a little olive oil, or use natural butter if your child is older than 9 months. However, regardless of the method, make sure the egg is thoroughly cooked to eliminate any potential bacteria. If your child has trouble swallowing egg yolks, you can mash them with some olive oil or add a bit of warm water to achieve a smoother consistency. You can also mix them with yogurt or mashed boiled potatoes to make it easier for your child to swallow. However, remember always to ensure there are no allergies first. Now, how much egg can you give your child? Generally, 1 egg per day is suitable. But what are the benefits of eggs for children? Eggs are a fantastic source of high-quality protein, which promotes growth in children, helps increase their weight and height, and strengthens their immune system. The high-quality proteins in eggs are essential for building the antibodies that protect the child's immune system from invading microbes. Egg yolks are rich in healthy fats, which nourish the child's brain, enhance cognitive development, increase intelligence, and improve concentration. These fats also contribute to the development of the child's brain and play a significant role in speech development. It's crucial to feed children with foods rich in healthy fats, and egg yolks are an excellent source. Moreover, egg yolks contain vitamin D and calcium, which are vital for teething, motor development, and ensuring children reach developmental milestones on time. They also help strengthen the child's bones and teeth. Egg yolks are a great source of vitamin A and vitamin E, which are essential for maintaining healthy skin, hair, and eye health. The carotenoids in egg yolks are particularly important for eye health and visual development, especially in infants. Regarding the difference between different types of eggs, such as brown, white, or free-range eggs, nutritionally, there isn't a significant difference between them. However, many prefer free-range or organic eggs, especially for children, as they are considered a healthier choice due to the natural diet of the hens. If you don't have access to such eggs, regular eggs are still a good choice. 1 egg a day can protect your child from malnutrition-related developmental issues. Eggs are incredibly rich in high-quality protein, vitamin D, calcium, zinc, and healthy fats, all of which are vital for a child's growth, development, and immune system. Incorporating eggs into a child's diet can contribute to their overall well-being. It's essential to ensure that your child stays away from screens, including TV, mobile phones, computers, and tablets, especially if they are under 2 years old. Exposure to screens at a young age can hinder speech development, so it's best to limit screen time for young children. In addition to proper nutrition, interacting and playing with your child is crucial for their development. Spend quality time talking to them, telling stories, and engaging in activities that stimulate their cognitive and motor skills. Consistent interaction and engagement help children learn and develop at a healthy pace. In conclusion, eggs are a powerhouse of nutrition for children. They can promote growth, support cognitive development, enhance the immune system, and maintain eye and retinal health. One egg a day can be a valuable addition to a child's diet. Always make sure to introduce eggs to your child's diet gradually and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns about allergies.